controversial Focus ST. It turns you into a yobbo, doesn't it? Hello world, and welcome back to Accelerate. We are coming at you today with another car review on the controversial Ford Focus ST. Now, some love them, some hate them. I'm on the fence today, so I'm hoping Kyle, the owner, can sort of convince me and show me what they're all about. So let's get stuck into it.
Right, we've got some tasty little subtle mods on this. That's all you really need for these. Don't go nuts with them big body kits. It's got TRC front, sides and rear, along with the RS spoiler, all in gloss black, which really set the car off. Some 19-inch Fox Racing wheels in also gloss black. So I said subtle, but really nice. Really subtle, but once again, it does stand out. I would really love them extensions as well. They really suit this car. Yeah, that should do it.
Right, we have got a few tasty mods on this one. What Kyle has done is basically get the Ford Focus RS, steal all the good bits off it and put it into an ST, which appears to be the right way to do it. So we've actually got the Focus RS Turbo, along with the injectors. We have a K&N air filter attached to a Roos Motorsports intake. We have got, see if I can get this right, Mongoose Section 59 exhaust all the way through with the decal, which sounds phenomenal. Standard, these push out around 225 brake horsepower. Yet to have this dynoed, but we reckon it's got to be pushing around 300 brake. Really looking forward to this, so let's get it out on the road and see what we can do.
Show me what this tangerine machine can do.
Faster. Yeah. Right.
Something's rather ratty in the back.
The build quality is fantastic.
Yes.
Alright, so first of all, apologies for the rattle that's just randomly developed.
It is a Ford.
Yeah. And there's me. One of the first things I was going to say was, it's sat in the seats, it's comfy, the steering wheel feels great. So I was actually going to say, the quality is better than I thought.
I think it's just the crap you got in the boot.
Yeah, he's got a lot of stuff in the boot.
No, it's got a lot of crap in the boot.
Yeah.
But no, it is really nice. The seats are really comfy, really supportive.
Yeah. They are Recaros, which I'm not sure if they're an optional extra, or if they do come standard, but that's, yeah, they are really comfy and really supportive.
It's got AC, and I'm just turning it on.
It's rather warm today, which is a nice change of pace.
No, it is quite nice. It's quite modern. Obviously, the stereo's a little bit dated now, but then what year is this? It's a private plate, so we're not sure.
Yeah. I think it's around 2006, I believe.
I was going to say,
yeah, we're trying to fit in there. But yeah, like you've got push button start, which surprised me.
Yeah.
Obviously, you've got all the boost gauges and stuff like that. Like I'm a lot more easily impressed than Kenny, so I like it. As I said,
yeah, when you drive 70s, probably.
Exactly. I'm amazed that my car's got aircon. To me, that is a big luxury feature. So
the hole in the front, probably. That's what it is it?
Alright, so obviously the ST is all about performance. So I'm not going to launch it because it's not my car, but we'll ease in, roll in on first, and
not bad.
I think it pulls quite well.
Yeah. It's all the right noises too.
I was just about to say the noises are brilliant. See how it's got that it just wants to go. Ooh, pigeon.
Yeah.
It just wants to go.
Yeah. Nice. And the pumps on the gear.
So yeah, it sounds brilliant.
Yeah, fair play.
So I hope the camera's picking well, because they are so much fun.
It is nice. It's plenty of power, especially from the drive, you know.
Yeah, and for the money you can pick these up for, sort of sub £5 easy.
Yes.
I know you can pick them up for around £3. And like I said, I see why they are so popular. They're so tunable, especially for the money. So we'll pull up and you can have a go. Smug.
Right.
Now this I'm curious to see, because like I said, you're not easily impressed. That's the good thing with the tour. I am easily-ish impressed because of the cars I'm used to driving. Kenny's really not, so this should be interesting. It's very short. It's got a very short shift. It sort of clicks into gear.
Nice. Yeah, plenty of power.
It's the mid-range torque.
Nice.
It's quite,
Yeah, it seems quite linear.
Yes. Again, I think the 5-cylinder, the fact that it's a 5-pot helps.
Yeah, for sure. Yeah, it's very smooth power. It's not too aggressive.
Yeah. I was going to say, how does it feel compared to your VXR? But it's been a while since you...
It's been a while. The VXR was running like 320, 350 foot on a torque.
Yes, yeah.
It said it was all Coney Motorsport, and you know, it was quick.
Well, yeah.
It was really quick for what it was. I'm going to try 30 a pull.
Yeah. It turns you into a yobbo, doesn't it? It just encourages you to go
Well,
fast.
I can, I'm allowed to now. I'm in a bright orange ST.
People expect it.
Yes. Yeah, it turns in quite nice as well. Steering feels quite nice and heavy.
Yeah.
Don't like steering that's too light. It's
good weight to the steering.
Yeah, it's just you get something that's too light, and like the TT I found was too light. You know, it needed a bit more heavy steering.
Like you said, yeah.
It was, yeah. Whereas this you get quite a bit of feedback to the steering.
Yeah.
I've been thinking, lately it's just me against the world. Round and round I'm caught up in this swirl, trying to dig and trying to burrow. Pressure turned this stone into a pearl. Lessons that I learned weren't always thorough, sugar-coated like a churl. Now I'm really out here on my own. Now my homies acting like I owe 'em, done extending out my arm. Made a lot of money from my bones. Ain't around and now they say I'm wrong. I can finally say I'm up now. 20,000 on a bus down, I'm on my way, I'm going up now, and I ain't never gonna touchdown. I ain't never gonna touchdown. No, I ain't never gonna touchdown.
Right, so was that your first time in an ST or Focus ST?
I believe so. Yeah, I think it is. Yeah.
So, what's your thoughts?
I like it. It feels nice and tight. Once again, the steering's nice and heavy, so you get a lot of feedback through it. Power-wise, it does go well. It is very linear. The power, it's nice. You know, it's better than I was expecting it to be. You know what I mean? It is. You know, it is I drive a Fiesta daily, but
well, like you said, I'm I'm more easily impressed than Kenny is. That's why I was more interested to see what you think, because you've driven a lot faster cars and things like that.
Yeah.
But as a package for the money, would you agree that there's not a lot that you could get that would match this power and 5-cylinder turbo and all that?
For between 3 and 5k, what more do you want?
Exactly.
You know? I don't quite think that this is 300 brake.
Yeah. I'd be inclined to. We've both, I'd say about 280.
280,
I
was
would say.
Thinking, yeah.
But as I said, we have got a dyno day that we are in the process of organising, so we're hoping that Kyle will bring it along.
Yeah.
As I said, he hasn't claimed that it is 300, 320, but that's what he's been told. So hopefully we can get this on the dyno and, well, we'll find out then.
Yeah, we'll find out if we're wrong or the other people on, the internet people are right, you know?
Yeah. But again, a massive thank you to Kyle for not only sort of spending the day with us, but literally again throwing us the keys, saying go nuts with it, bring it back when we need to. So massive thank you, Kyle.
Thanks,
cheers, man.
Yeah, and also with regards to featuring other people's cars, we don't have to drive them. If you want to drive it, that's totally fine.
Yeah, like we've always said, I'll happily be a passenger just to experience the car, because that's what we're all about.
Yeah.
Is experiencing different cars, just seeing what, and if just to show off what you've got. So. Right, so after spending the day with the ST, I have to say, I am convinced. I completely get now why they are popular.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a cheap way to get turbo power, not only turbo, 5-cylinder power.
True.
After going out in it with Kyle, sort of showing me what it can do, I was impressed. Driving it myself and pleasantly surprised with how it drives. So, what do you think of them?
I've always had a soft spot for them, I'll be honest with you.
Really?
Yeah, I'm genuine. When they first come out, I thought they were fantastic looking cars.
That's
Especially the
surprising me.
colour as well, you know, the colour really pops. And you see the orange.
Yeah,
you know what
the
it
rolling
is.
shots that we've got, as you see, it really
yeah.
pops in the sun.
No, it's really, really nice. I got to be honest, done a really good job as well of styling it.
Yes,
You
that is
know-
exactly what I would do if I owned them as well. So
Yeah,
fair play to
sure.
Kyle. He's done it really well.
Yeah.
Really surprised with your verdict. Then I
Yeah.
thought you were going to be the hater, but
You think I'm like this car snob?
I-
Like, no, I'm not. No.
well, yeah. But yeah.
Thank you.
Anyway, we'll end it there. Thank you very much to Kyle for letting us, spending the day with us with the car.
Yeah.
Thank you guys very much for watching. We've got a lot more things coming up. We've got some more cool cars like this lined up, so stay tuned, and we will see you in the next one.